What up, y'all? What up, y'all? This your boy LC the One. LC the One to be exact, that is, man. We back with another tutorial video. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to put ads in your YouTube videos if you're monetized. So what you want to do is you want to go to the App Store on your mobile device. Go to the App Store. Once you get there, you want to start typing in the search engine YouTube Studio. You want to type in the YouTube Studio to download the YouTube Studio app. So start typing in the first 3 words to YouTube and it should pull up all the apps for YouTube. Okay, so you see the YouTube Studio right there. You want to tap on the YouTube Studio. Then from that point, it's going to take you to the actual app. I already downloaded the app. Okay, as you can see, that's how it looks. So at this point, we're just going to open up the app. We're going to open up the app. All right, so after we open up the app, it's going to bring down all your videos. This is the dashboard. If you don't have it monetized yet, it's going to be like the earth is going to be blue and there will be a green dollar, or there will be a dollar sign with no green symbol. So I'm clicking on a video. All my videos are already monetized, but this is how you add the ads in your video if you haven't monetized yet. So you want to click on the pencil in the right upper corner. Okay, once you click on that pencil, it's going to bring you to another menu. Okay, well, another icon set. You're going to see 3, the pencil, the dollar sign, and then the little settings thing at the right corner. You want to tap on the dollar sign. Okay, once you tap on the dollar sign, then you'll see the different type of menus where you can use for ads, like non-skippable ads, skippable ads, sponsor ads. So you want to click on all those buttons until they turn green. Okay, and that right there will select all the advertisements that you can use in your particular YouTube video. So after that, you just want to go back out. You want to save it if you haven't saved it yet. All my videos are already saved, so you want to go back out, and then that's it, basically in a nutshell on how to do it. So make sure y'all like the video, share the video, comment on the video, and most importantly, subscribe. Yeah. Hey, man. I'm just gonna keep it 100 with y'all, man. That's for all y'all niggas out there, man. Yeah. They're saying I ain't the OG, the original. Yeah. Hey, man. You's a duplicate. Yeah. You's a duplicate. You's a dude, nigga. Yeah. You's a duplicate, nigga. You's a duplicate. You's a dude, nigga, and I'm the original motherfucking OG, nigga. Don't forget to grab y'all some merch. I got the unisex long sleeve t-shirt. I got the zip hoodies right there, you dig what I'm talking about. I got the ladies crop t-shirts, you dig. I got the lady cotton t-shirts, you dig what I'm saying. I got the tanks for the players. I got the scoop neck t-shirts for the ladies, you dig what I'm talking about. We got the flip zip hoodies, the fleece, you dig what I'm talking about. We got the t-shirt for all y'all, you dig what I'm talking about, for real. I got the unisex hoodie. I got the the unisex fleece hoodie. Pull over, baby. And I got the custom poster and custom frame from LC the One. You dig what I'm talking about. And I got the mug where you can drink your beer. And I got the iPhone 6 Plus K. You dig? And I got the snuggle pillow. When you get snuggle with your lady. Yeah.